How to start an LLC in Florida. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Starting an LLC can feel confusing, especially if you have never done it before. But today I'm breaking down exactly how to set one up in the great state of Florida. Whether you're launching a brand new business or moving an existing one, Florida is one of the most business-friendly states out there. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through two different ways to form your LLC. First, using an LLC formation service that handles the forms and legal steps for you without any hassle. And second is doing everything yourself directly through the state. For the service option, I'll be using Taylor Brands as the example, so you can see exactly how it works, and if you want to check them out, the link is in the description. So first, what is an LLC? An LLC is short for a limited liability company. It's a business structure that basically gives you the best of both worlds, the simplicity and flexibility of a partnership, and the legal protection of a corporation. So when you form an LLC, your business becomes its own legal entity. That means your personal assets stay separate from your company's debts, lawsuits, or obligations. If your business gets sued or falls into debt, your personal money and property should be protected. So first, I'll show the formation process using Taylor Brands, one of the best entity formation companies out there that handles everything for you. And then, if you'd like to file the LLC yourself, you can choose the DIY route, which I'll cover later on. So simply click the link given in the description below in order to get access to Taylor Brands, and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So first of all, you've got to enter your business name. Once done, simply head over, click on Get Started, and you'll be taken over to another interface. Okay, so first of all, they will ask anything specific you want to focus on today, and you can choose all that apply. So for this tutorial, I'm going to go with LLC, and after that, click on Next. And then they're going to ask, what does Florida offer? Either physical goods, professional services, and where will Florida serve customers? So what you got to do is simply select whether your application is online or at your brick and mortar or on the go. Simply select that, click on Next, and then they're going to say, what's your industry? Simply type down the industry niche and tell them about your business. After that, you're going to tell what stage is your LLC currently in, whether it's just an idea, taking the first steps, getting ready to launch, or already in business. And then you got to answer, when are you planning to launch? As soon as possible, in a few weeks, in a few months, more than 3 months. And then you got to tell, where will your LLC operate from? And whether you're planning to hire employees in the upcoming year, yes, no, or not sure. And you got to tell whether your LLC is currently registered as an LLC or other business entity. And finally, you got to scratch off things that your LLC already has and then click on Next. So you're not really committing to anything. This info just helps them recommend the right setup. Taylor Brands offer 3 plan levels, including a $0 plan, where you simply pay the state filing fee. The higher packages include extra features like marketing tools, branding help, and more. So once you choose your plan, they will file your LLC documents for you. So if you want to take all the hassle, file all the paperwork yourself, and do it manually, don't worry, I've got you covered. Follow these next steps. First, pick a name for your LLC. You need a business name that is unique and not already taken in Florida. You can quickly check name availability using the Florida Division of Corporations, SunBiz Business Name Research. Florida naming rules are straightforward. Your business name must include limited liability company or an approved abbreviation like LLC. Then step 2, choose a registered agent. So this is the person or service responsible for receiving official mail and legal documents for your business. You can be your own registered agent if you have a physical address in Florida and are available during normal business hours. But if you work full-time or travel, this can be tough. That's why many business owners prefer hiring a professional registered agent service instead. Then step 3, file your articles of organization. This is a step that officially creates your LLC. You'll submit the Articles of Organization to the Florida Division of Corporations through SunBiz. This document includes your LLC's legal name and address, your registered agent's name and address, the purpose of the LLC, whether it is member managed or manager managed, signatures from the LLC organizer and the registered agent, Florida does not have closed LLCs unlike some states. The filing fee for Florida LLC in 2026 remains around $125, including state fee plus registered agent designation. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Florida does not require an operating agreement, but it's extremely helpful. It should include ownership percentages, rights and responsibilities of each member, how profits and losses are shared, how disputes will be handled, what happens if a member leaves or the business shuts down. Even if you're the only owner, have one. It protects you if legal disputes rises. Then step 5, get an EIN. An EIN, employer identification number, is basically a social security number of your business. You need an EIN to file taxes, hire employees, open a business bank account, apply for loans. You can get an EIN for free from the IRS, online by email, or by fax. If you're a foreigner without an SSN, you must first get an ITIN, then apply for an EIN using that. Then we have a step 6, understand your tax requirements. Florida LLCs are treated as pass-through entities by default. The LLC itself doesn't pay income tax, the owners do through their personal returns. Florida has no state income tax for individuals, which is why it's so popular, but you still need to handle self-employment taxes, payroll taxes if you hire employees, sales tax if you sell goods or taxable services. A Florida sales tax license is free and you can apply online through Florida Department of Revenue. How often you file depends on your business income, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Then we have his annual report requirements. So Florida requires every LLC to file an annual report to stay active. It's due every year between January 1st and May 1st. The fee for LLC is $138.75. If you miss the deadline, Florida charges a $400 late fee, no exceptions. But if doing all of that yourself sounds overwhelming, you're not alone. When I formed my own LLC, I didn't want to risk messing up a form or missing a rule. I also didn't have the time to learn everything from scratch. That's why I use Taylor Brands to handle the whole formation process. If you're short on time or want a stress-free experience, services like Taylor Brands can be a huge help. They take care of the legal paperwork so you can focus on building your business. They've been around since 2014, helping entrepreneurs start businesses easily. It's an all-in-one platform that uses AI to guide you through LLC formation, branding, website tools, finance, bookkeeping, and more. Everything is in one place, which makes the setup smooth. And that's it. There are the 2 ways to form an LLC in Florida. You can absolutely do it yourself. Many people do. But if you want a smoother, hands-off experience, Taylor Brands is a great option, especially for first-time business owners. Both routes get you to the same place. It just depends on how much time you want to spend on paperwork versus growing your business. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful content. And if you want to try Taylor Brands, check the link in the description. We often get special deals that you won't find on their websites directly. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.